So the FDA wants our knowledge, people.
Really?
Yes, the FDA wants our knowledge because the UN wants our knowledge. So the FDA is collecting public comment on cannabis and hemp. So Dave's going to bring up a page of where, and we're going to put in the link in the links in the comments there, where to send your personal stories. You can snail mail it or email your public comment about cannabis and hemp. Get it done before 4/20, please.
Well, the deadline is April 23rd.
Yes, but if we get it done before 4/20, that would be great.
That would be good. Yeah, that's a good goal. Good goal for stoners.
Yeah. Squad goals. Squad goals. Turn in your story to the feds
this, of
before
course,
4/20.
This story, of course, comes to us courtesy of a Tom Angel writing over in Forbes, Marijuana Moment, and letting us know that, of course, it was the FDA and the World Health Organization who were taking comments with regards to CBD not too long ago, and its medicinal benefits. We talked about it here on the show, and now they are. That's not the one. I'm literally looking at the wrong article from Forbes because that's the one. That was the opioid.
That's the one.
That was the opioid one. I'm like, where's the information I'm looking for?
Our nurse friend sent us. Excuse me.
That was that was a Fire OG mistake as well. Here is the where's the thing? Oh, okay, here it is.
Of course,
Here's
we don't trust the feds. However,
I'll find the Forbes article, the real one, and bring it up.
We want to get cannabis off the Schedule 1.
Right. So this is the International
Drugs... And we got to do our part of the job.
International Drug Scheduling Convention on Psychotropic Substances, Single Convention on Narcotic Drugs, Cannabis Plant and Resin, Extracts and Tinctures of Cannabis, Delta-9, Tetrahydrocannabinol, Diol, Stereoisomers of THC, Cannabidiol, request for comments. So that's a mouthful, but that covers a whole lot of area.
Request for comments is the important bit.
Right. It just came out. And you can submit by April 23rd.
Yep.
Electronic submissions. Right there. There's a link on the website, federalregister.gov. We'll put the direct link in the channel, in the video. And then you can do it old school, written and hand-mailed delivery services. So specifically, what they are looking for
is your stories about cannabis and hemp, personal stories and facts that you know. So we're going to write lots of postcards. I'm going to send postcards from our beautiful town with our personal stories of my mom, of mine, of Dave's. We're going to send stories to them. And while we're sending it to them, we're going to also send it to the rest of our elected officials, because 2018 seems to be a very green year and a lot of elections and everybody's talking about it. So we might as well let everybody know that cannabis is medicine, that cannabis helps and heals, that hemp can replace petroleum. And it's our turn to do the work. So let's do it. Before 4/20.
Before 4/20. Well, that's a convenient. It's a good
goal.
Date.
I'll show you our postcards next week
for us to be focused on. So that's nice. It is nice. So here's the article. Feds want input on marijuana reclassification, and he goes into the WHO and how they were looking at CBDs.
Yes.
And the non-psychoactive.
Yes, we want it off Schedule 1. We want to tell them that we want it off Schedule 1, because then the FDA is going to recommend to the UN what the United States' position is on it. And they're asking for our opinion. They rarely ask for what we think, so we should let them know. And tell everybody you know, and share it in all the cannabis socials and spaces that you know about, to let them know.
Well, they had a record number of comments on the CBD issue.
Right.
So this is definitely something that we can get our voices heard, at least from, all from North America, where we're trying to legalize, decriminalize, or whatever we're trying to do.
And get it off the Schedule 1 is what we're trying to do. That is the deal.
It would change a lot of things for the industry, for the
for
criminal justice,
banking,
social justice,
criminal justice, everything.
Yeah,
everything would change.
If not now, when?
Yeah.
What's up, Reefer Revolutionaries? DC here. Be sure to join us live on Sundays at 4:20 Pacific for DC 420 LA, The Week in Weed, the show where we spark up and talk about marijuana in the mainstream media, the politics of pot, and cannabis cures. That's DC 420 LA on YouTube. Follow the channel link and get notifications for when we go live. And now you can watch live on Steam It through DLive at DC420LA and on Weed TV, the Cannabis Media Network. See you Sunday. Pot for peace.